name is Savannah.
And I'm Kyle,
And today we are going to teach you how to make fluffy slime.
This is a little sticky because we just made it.
And the ingredients are...
So first you'll need half cup of glue.
It's very heavy.
Takes half cup of glue.
It has to be white, not
half cup of glue. Put it in like something over here. See, half cup.
And you can mix with the spatula.
Here. And then
anything.
You'll need shaving
Cream.
foam or shaving cream. You'll need 3 cups of this.
It's a lot.
So
No, 2.
This is 1.5 cup. So you will need 2 of these. And then you'll need activator. So activator or contact solution or something like that. And then add two teaspoons at first, and then as you go, keep adding more, 1 teaspoon at a time. And after you're done, mix the glue and this glue and shaving cream and activator in here. And then last, after it's done, you'll need some of this food coloring.
You don't have to add it.
Yeah, you don't have to add it. It's just if you want color. Mine is like yellow, and I added 4 drops of this.
Me too. I added red.
4 drops of this.
Not red.
Yeah, that's not red.
This is not red.
And then, of course, there's other colors like blue and green.
Yeah, and yellow.
Yeah, okay, so take a close look, please.
We're going to do tests also. And as you see,
that's what you'll need.
Yeah.
Alright. So let's get on with
Our
this.
test.
Now you know how to make it. Now test. We'll review if we prefer this or not.
I think bubble test first.
Okay, no, stretch test. Okay, so guys, let's see if it's stretchy.
Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so
Yes,
stretchy.
it's really stretchy. Yes, that's actually softy. And if I try to not stretch it, see,
And it is so soft.
it's really soft. Okay,
And
look.
it's like a marshmallow puff.
It's really jiggly. And a
And
little
it
sticky.
is so soft. You just have to make this. It is so soft. And
Yeah, it's really
now it's a bubble test. Come on, guys.
Okay, let's
You have
try
make
to do a bubble. Okay. I'm not really good at those things. Okay, well.
Oh, I just made one.
Maybe this will
Nice.
be my best of luck. No, it
I
won't!
made one. I made one. Well, not right now.
Okay, let's try again.
Dang it.
Yeah, look at this! Look at this!
Oh, well,
I just like over time if you do a bubble, you know.
Hey, I just made one, so don't.
And if you have the shaving cream at first, it's like 20
it's
times bigger than this.
And
then
somehow
it
it
gets-
shrinks, and then
It
it just
shrinks so the shaving foam doesn't last forever.
Yeah.
It's
After 1 day.
fluffy for 1 day. It's still fluffy after 1 day, but not as fluffy as
Yeah.
the first day. You know.
Or you can add
know.
more shaving cream.
You know. Okay, let's see how pokey.
It's very jiggly, Abby.
It's jiggly. Okay, so
And
let's see his poke.
it doesn't stick.
Yeah. That's okay. That's okay.
Can you, this is a challenge for you guys. Can you do
Okay.
this? In the middle, I can't really do it.
Look at this. Look how jiggly it is. Okay, so time for rating. I rated 5 stars. 5 out of 5.
10 out of 10. High
No
score.
such, man. No such. Well, she rated 5 out of 5.
Yeah, I mean. Or 6. I could give it over the score.